Hi, Johnny Timmons, MarineMax in Houston, Texas. Today, we're going to put you on our brand new 370 Grady-White Express. So without further ado, why don't you hop on board and we'll go through a couple of the options. It's Johnny again. We're on the 370 Grady-White Express and we're going to start in the cockpit of the boat. If you look straight up, we've got our sure shade already deployed. Push a button, it goes out. Push a button, it comes in. It's great when you're out in the middle of the Texas heat. Push the button, go back in, go to your next spot. Push the button, it drops back out. Back here in the back of the boat, we always order our 37 Grady's with the freezer plate option. Diesel generator, freezer plates, turn it on, put 2 bags of ice in there. When you wake up the next morning to go fishing, your ice is already cold, freezer plates are already on, you're ready to go. Triple 425 Yamahas. These are joystick, autopilots already built on. That's the standard motor that we're always going to put on our 37s. I'll work back over here to the starboard side. Live well is going to be in here. Got a little bait prep station right here with a freshwater shower. And then all the way over there by our camera person, we've got the must-have feature, and I'm gonna pop this little hatch up right here. And you gotta have that. You're gonna fresh tuna on the boat, put it on the grill, you're gonna do an overnight, go get you some tenderloins, a lobster tail, drop it in there, it works great. If you'll follow me, I'll work up to the bridge deck. We already took the liberty of putting electronics on this boat, so it is truly turnkey, ready to go. If somebody's ready for a boat, they want a boat tomorrow, this boat we can have ready and demoed, done, closed tomorrow. You got twin 16-inch Garmin's. We've already got a 4kW open array Garmin radar. We had it custom painted black. You'll notice over here we've got bow thruster. I'm gonna rotate over because we've also got joysticks. We've got joystick and a bow thruster on this boat. Cell phone charger, just drop it in, spring loaded. Bus system with the Fusion stereo. This is your card readers. We already put your VHF on the boat. Trim tabs with indicators, all up, all down feature. I love that. I'm gonna work over here. This is fantastic. So a couple years ago, Yamaha integrated the autopilot in with the joystick, so your autopilot's already built on. And this is the magic button right here. So this boat is equipped with a Seakeeper gyro. It's located midship, down in the cabin. Great feature to have, takes 95% of the roll out of the boat. The most important thing about this boat, fully enclosed, single pane windshield up there. We do have a sunscreen right here and an opening hardtop if we want to deploy it. The coolest part is this boat is completely 100% climate controlled at the bridge deck. We can enclose all of this and turn the AC on or the heat on depending upon the weather. Hey, it's Johnny again. Now we're down in the salon of the 37 Grady-White Express. I'm going to give you a brief run through. Beautiful little settee table. This is going to drop down. This is going to pop back out right here, and there's a cushion right here that sets over the top of this, makes an extra berth. So by doing so, we've got a berth for 1 right here, we've got a berth for 2 up in the V berth, and then all the way back in the back of the boat, we've got a berth for another 2. Seakeeper gyro sits underneath the raised portion, and I do like to apologize, we still haven't finished commissioning the boat. A lot of the stuff's still in plastic, it just came from the factory. I'm gonna work back over here to the port side, double refrigerator freezer combo. Convection oven. There's our head unit again for the stereo that works in here as well as outside, and tons of storage with this beautiful woodwork that Grady-White put together all the way down. Hey, it's Johnny again. We're inside the showroom at MarineMax Houston. The 37 Grady-White Express is behind me. I'll throw you a couple of quick points. There's our bow thruster chute that's sitting right here. Up on the bow of the boat, we've got a sun pad, one of the first boats to get a sun pad from Grady-White. And then lastly, one of my favorite features, the dive door, midship. It's easy to get on and off of the dock. It's a fantastic option to have. Hey, even better, catch a big tuna. It's a great place to pull it into the boat. I would like to say thank you for taking your time to watch this short little video. If y'all have any questions, please reach out. Johnny Timmons, MarineMax in Houston. My number is 281-830-6336. We'll see you on the water.